say. So I'm really happy to be here too. I'm from India. It's a country in Asia, as you know.
Hi, thank you for having me today. I'm from Germany.
I think that the new Pickwick Club is a really good, the best platform if you want to make friends, all over the world. And plus, if you want to be good at English, my English is not my first language, and it becomes very difficult to, speak in public. So I think that this club is really good for that.
I joined this club because I'm really interested in cultures and in people all around the world. I've started with Students of the World when I was 14 or 15, let me lie, and I found really good friends from everywhere, and I was happy when I saw an opportunity to meet these people more often and meet them easier than over lettering. And yeah, that's why I joined.
I particularly like the time when we were doing the, food. We were sharing our culture and food. I think that was the best time. I love food, and to know about other countries' food, it was really great.
I've experienced a lot of extremely nice people. I've experienced really cool meetings. Every time they are a bit different. They are funny. You can do like these little exercises, these little games you can play, and it doesn't get boring anyway. And if you have like a bit off time, you can always talk to the others, which is, it's so cool.
I think, of course, as I have seen with time, this group has grown a lot. Like, we have members coming almost every day, and to be friends with someone from another country, it's like it's a different experience, and I think it has influenced me, of course, because I get to know about different countries, and I get to share my culture too. So it has influenced me. So I'm happy.
I feel like being a member of a big family. It's like so overwhelming, and you don't feel really new. You just enter the group and you're completely in it. Every time someone enters, it's just like welcoming a new family member, and that is so amazing.
When I first joined your meeting, I was seriously surprised because you guys organized the whole thing so perfectly. You had games, you had introduction sessions, and you divided teams, and it was seriously so perfectly organized, I must say. It's difficult to organize. I know it's difficult to do that, to organize a group, and you guys did it perfectly, and I'm saying it by heart.
They are really cool. They are different, as I said, like they're different every time, and they also make you think about topics you may not be thinking of when you're in your daily life. There was a call about, for example, feminism. I'm sorry that I couldn't attend. I was really busy, but I really liked that we're also talking about these kind of topics. Not all the people are not always talking about, or we kind of oversee in our daily life. And it's so cool that we can also see what different countries would say about these topics, or what is the perspective about these topics in different countries. So, yeah.
Earlier I didn't know that, my world was, to my city, limited to my city. And for the, since the past few months, I came to know about different countries and to meet other people. And, there are some of my friends who showed me around their city. So I should say, making a friend from another country, it's really, a privilege, because you get to know about their life, about how they live there, and about their country too. So I think it's great.
I'm happy. It's For me, living in a really small country, country not, but village, where I don't have a lot of friends, it just feels amazing and makes me happy to meet so many people. And that's like it's different than being just in your normal friendship group in your own country. And it's always a new experience, and that's what makes me happy and also excited about what is coming out now.
हिसाब से न्यू पिक पिक क्लब जो है ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है नए दोस्त बनाने के लिए. अगर कोई इंसान अगर अकेला भी फील करता है तो वो पूरी दुनिया भर के लोगों से बात कर सकता है. और बात करना ही नहीं, हम लोग साथ में कई चीजें भी करते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं और अपने बारे में बताते हैं, बातें शेयर करते हैं. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये पूरा सबसे बेस्ट ग्रुप है, तो मैं सबको यही रेकमेंड करूंगी.
Ich würde ihn auf jeden Fall weiterempfehlen, weil es sich einfach lohnt, sich mal dort umzuschauen und diese Erfahrung mitzumachen. Ich meine, es muss ja nicht jedem sofort gefallen, aber einfach mal ausprobieren und dort einfach eine Erfahrung sammeln, die man vielleicht so im Alltag nicht bekommen würde. Und darum würde ich auf jeden Fall jedem, der die Chance hat, dort mitzumachen und der das sieht und überlegt und was machen soll, nicht auf jeden Fall sagen, macht mit. Rausgehen kann man am Ende immer noch, aber ich würde es persönlich jetzt nicht unbedingt machen, weil ich finde es einfach so toll.
It was better than I thought. You know, as I said before, the organization of the club was great. That was what influenced me a lot, and seriously, that was the great part. And plus, I didn't know that you people are so much everywhere. There are people coming in this group, and I don't even know how you people do that. So I think it's really great. How much effort you people are putting. So I really appreciate you for that.
When I got the message from a friend who invited me, at first I thought it would just be like one call, and then it's fine, everything is done. But I didn't have any expectations. I was like, okay, let's do this. Let's meet these people. Let's talk a bit with them. But it was like completely different than I imagined. Like at first starting with this platform that I haven't known before, and it's so cool that you have like this opportunity to go into different rooms and to have these talks in groups, and the others can't hear you.
Yeah.
It's just so different. It's not like these normal online lessons you had during Corona homeschooling time. So it was better than I expected, and I'm so happy.
So my favorite activities that I like to do in this club are, participating in phone calls. Mm-hmm. Because it's a better way to connect directly with the other person, and plus play games and quizzes, many things.
Okay.
So for me, it's my favorite part.
I'm not a good writer in group chat. I'm sure the others may have already noticed that. I'm not really present in these group chats. I like to talk more because you can directly see a reaction from the others, and when I'm in a group chat, it's so much happening in one chat, and that's why I prefer actually talking. Okay, and I'm also a slow answer in WhatsApp, but yeah.
Yeah, but I know what you mean. Sometimes when you're in a group chat with so many people, there come messages flying in every second, and you want to answer something, but then it's talking about a completely different thing, and so you're kind of lost.
Yeah, of course. There are many people with whom I have connected through social media, through your club. So it's really great. I have made many friends.
Not just because of the club. I already had some international friendships, but the club made me aware that these friendships are really important, and that they are different than normal friendships, and that you can't really compare them because they are completely different topics. And